everyone, Richa here on Bbye. I'm happy to see you here. Today we are going to make a candle holder. So let's get started. To make this candle holder, you will need a precision knife, floral foam, spackling compound, and some paint. I started by taking out the edges and some extra foam. I wanted this holder to look cute and tiny, and on top of it, I wanted this to hold taper candle, which is heavier than normal tea light candles. And to have this all in one, I chose half round base with a 1-inch strip hole in the middle to hold the candle. You may find this part taking a little bit of your time. To give it stone-like texture, I used Spackle to cover this. I went through the entire foam, including the hole, and I covered that in a good thickness of Spackle. If you can see here, I'm not worried about making it smooth. This is because we are going to sand it down anyways when the surface is dried. And for the second design, I had to cut big foam piece into half, and it was enough to hold 2 taillight candles. And I marked down the measurements for those 2 candles and repeated the process just like the way I did it in the first one. But for this holder, I wanted to make a stone-like edges, unlike the first one. So I made sure that I keep angles wherever I'm using my knife. After removing the extra foam, I repeated the second step of using Spackle. But in this shape, I had to make sure that I'm having sharp edges. Even after trying hard, I could not have shape exactly as I wanted, but I was happy with that. And then I let them dry overnight. The next morning, I sanded them down and made it look smoother, just like the stone. And it was looking nice already. Then painted them with the acrylic paint. And about the color, I used very neutral shades for that. And to make it look organic, I would suggest you to do the same. This is how I did my project. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and I have a request to make that please do not leave the candles on this because it made from the foam, and I think that can make a bit trouble for you. So just use this as a statement purpose on a shelf or on your desk or something like that. But please do not leave candles on that. And let me know your suggestions below for this video, and I'll see you all in the next video.